Alright, welcome back to today's tutorial. Yeah, I'm actually going to teach you guys how to create an artboard. It is called an artboard, whereby you have different board on one interface. You have a board, you have like multiple boards. You can have so many, like 10 boards on one interface. Yes, to work on. Yeah, I'll show you similar thing you would create from the beginning while after opening our Adobe Photoshop software. Yeah, most times this is used in um, it is used in designing social media designs, all these design projects where you have um, multiple designs for just a project. Yeah, it helps you in order from it helps you not to be going to another tab, closing opening tab. Yeah, so it helps in making your work more simplified. Yes. Yeah, so actually this is what I'm explaining. This is an artboard where you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can actually work on all these simultaneously. Yes, it makes your work more simplified and lessens your stress, lessens the stress. Yes, so I'll teach how to have this artboard so you can actually work on this individually. Yeah, so the first thing what you do is, let's go back to our home. Immediately open your Adobe Photoshop. This is the interface you would see. So what you do first is to go to create a new file. So these are the canvas I frequently use. I frequently make use of 1280 by 1280. So pixel. So this is my artboard is actually checked. If you check yours will be unchecked like this. So you can leave it like this. This is because the width and the height are actually the same size. So both this orientation here doesn't matter. You get, if here is 3000 to 1280, that means the width will be longer, so there will be a variation, so there will be a difference. So for this there's no difference, so that's why actually whether is you leave it in landscape or portrait, they are all going to be the same thing. So at this case, since they have the same height and width, it's not valid. So actually you can leave your resolution to 300. Actually left mine at this for a reason. Yes. Then RGB, your color mode RGB color, then 8 bits white. So actually this white background is actually to this is actually I'm just going through the basics of Photoshop, opening Photoshop. Yeah, so but background content, this is what you see immediately you open some projects. You might want to export them as transparent, so this is where it becomes blank. So some you might choose a white, or you can make it custom. Probably you want to add a gradient effect to it. So but then let's just leave it as white. So this is our main essence of the video, to create this artboard. Though you can create it from here, we'll show you another way to create an artboard even when you have opened your document. Yes, because most times if as soon as you've opened your document, you may think that I'll not be able to go back and do that again. Some people, when I actually started, I found that challenging going back to probably start a new document, open a new document. But there's actually another way you can actually create an artboard from an already existing document or saved document. Yes, so you have multiple artboards like that, so you can create them. So you check this, make sure this is checked, then you click create. You just leave all that settings as they are. Yes, so let's create. This is so you see this has an artboard here. So let's try it down and let me show you the difference. So let's check this out. If you leave, okay, let's check this out. So see, this doesn't have an artboard. So this has an artboard. So imagine you have done something like this and you have imported your backgrounds, imported so many things. You should not go back and check it. Reason because you should not go back, like delete this document and start afresh. Reason because there's another way you can actually do this. So how is that possible? So what you would have to do here is to unlock this background. First you unlock the background, then you right click. If you don't unlock the background, you will not be able to see the feature I'm talking about. You will not be able to see the artboard feature. So you have to first unlock the background, then click on and make sure the layer is checked. This layer in the layer section, make sure it is checked. Then you would come up, yeah, this is artboard for layers. So click artboard for layers. You can actually give it your name, or you just leave it, give you name it, or you give it the name you prefer. So let's leave this at artboard 1. Okay, so after artboard 1 you can actually, so what I did to reduce my text was actually control and minus. Yes, so yes, in order to duplicate the artboard, you just click on this and you see the plus. You can duplicate it upward, left side, right side, downward. So you have multiple artboards just in one document. You have multiple artboards. So this is the same thing as this. That's the way I did this, multiple artboards. So I hope this helps you. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you find this helpful. Yeah, thank you and thank you. See you in my next video. Yeah, goodbye for now. Peace.